Hi! I'm from Next Paradigm. I'm going to show you a really bright, quick, and easy text animations. So let's get towards the After Effects. I've got my 3 lines of text here and each line is on its own layer. I'm going to make an effect on the position that will come in about 10 frames or so and create a keyframe on the position for all 3 layers. I'll back up to the beginning of the timeline and move these layers up ever so slightly. The effects we're going here for subtle. Next, you will want to come in about 12 frames and create a keyframe on the opacity for all 3 layers. You came back to the start and moved that capacity down to 0 at the start and 100% visibility. For making our text animation smoother, ease those end keyframes. We are going to offset the layers to make it smoother and good looking. Offset the layers to 5 frames, or you can do it by your choice. Playing it back, you can see this is a super simple and easy quick tip. Look at that, it is super awesome. Moving on with number 2. We start from the same starting point with our 3 lines of text. Now I've actually chosen to keep all of my lines on the same text layer for this one. Getting the type effect that we want is the easiest thing in the world. There's a panel for effects in the After Effects. Under the Effect panel, you will search for the typewriter. Once it appears, drag the text over to your text. This will automatically create start and stop keyframes. All you have to do is to figure out your timing. This one is wonderful and cool. In the advanced setting of the text, select characters excluding space. Your animation is ready. Your animation is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and watch other videos related to After Effects.